Hi, I'm Wayne with Mr. Handyman. Today we're going to show you how to remove ceramic tile. Do not use a sledgehammer and wear protective eye cover when removing ceramic tile. Determine if the tile is on wood or a cement surface. Our project is on cement. Use a demo tool and a chisel bit and hold it at an angle and slide it under the tile. Be careful of tile shards and stack tile out of the way as you go. Turn off the furnace if it's a larger job to control the dust. Then carefully use the demo tool to remove all remaining mortar stuck to the floor. A grinder may be necessary to smooth out the rest of the floor. Use heavy-duty trash bags and limit the amount of weight you put in them. You don't want them to burst as you're bringing them out of the house. Whether you need help removing tile or have a much larger project, Mr. Handyman is your one-stop shop for home maintenance and repair solutions.